Welcome to Midwest Labs. Today I'm going to go over our invoicing process. So once you have your results of your testing and you have a completed report emailed to you, the following month after testing, so within that first week, we will email you an invoice. So if you got your testing done this month, next month, the first week, you'll have that invoice come in through your email. You can feel free to contact us over the phone to pay with a credit card at 402-334-7770. Just make sure you have your invoice number here to provide to our client services team. You can also come into the myLab portal and click on the View Invoices tab. So this is the way that you can pay on your portal. So you'll see the invoice ID, the report number, you can also view the actual invoice through this button. Otherwise, you'll just click Pay Invoice. And then the next screen is just like any other checkout. So you'll type in your card, and it will make you either type that in completely, or if you've used it on this browser before, it might have it stored. Either way, if you select it, you will still need to type in that security code and your zip code that's tied to that credit card, accept the terms of agreement, and then once everything's filled out, come down here and click Process Order on the bottom right. It's going to then take a moment here to process that, and then it's going to say thank you for your payment. So I would recommend printing off the page that comes up at that point. So just either save it, download it, or print it. If you have any trouble on the portal, please feel free to contact us, like I said, and pay over the phone. Or if you have any questions, feel free to let us know by phone or email, again at 402-334-7770, and email contactus@midwestlabs.com. Thank you so much and have a good day.